how to fix Do Not Disturb not working on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today, I'm going to walk you through some effective solutions to fix the Do Not Disturb issue. So let's dive right in. So first things first, what you can do is swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone to access the control center and look for the focus mode icon and then tap on it. Make sure that Do Not Disturb is turned on. If it's not, try toggling it off and then back again. However, if this doesn't work for you, then what you can do is you can go to your settings and then scroll down and tap on focus. There you'll find Do Not Disturb settings. Open it. Now you can choose specific apps to silence notifications by tapping on the apps and ticking on the silence notifications from, and then tap on add app and scroll down and select the apps that you want to silence the notifications from. And you can also go back and tap on people and do the same with people by tapping on add people and choosing people from your contact. It's as simple as that. However, if this still doesn't work for you, then you can go back to the general and then scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. This will help you fix the issue. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.